If you're trying to turn your garage into a great hangout or workspace, you'll want to invest in the best garage lighting available. While lighting installation may conjure up the idea of dangling wires and spending loads of money on an electrician, it's actually quite affordable and easy to bring ample light into your space. Bright white lights are good for safety and utility. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 garage lighting options on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. High-quality linkable LED shop light. Frustration with setting up garage lighting doesn't need to be a part of your reality, and products like high-quality's linkable LED shop light for garage demonstrate that. In addition to the quality of lighting, these lights are a breeze to set up. These linkable LEDs come with mounting gear that's easy to use, but you can also use hanging chains. All of the necessary hardware comes with the lights, so all you need to do is follow the simple assembly instructions. It features a 59-inch power cord that has an on/off switch. Beyond the easy installation, these lights provide 4,400 lumens by using only 42 watts, which is an efficiency of 105 lumens per watt. The lights also last 50,000 hours before you need to do any sort of maintenance, and while this package comes with 4 pieces, you can link up to 6 lights using the simple plug connection. Number 2. Lumen ceiling lights. The Makel's LED garage light proves that you don't need to break the bank for good lighting. It comes with 3 LED panels that have up to 90 degrees of adjustability, which enables it to light up to 360 degrees of area. It also provides a substantial amount of light with 8,000 lumens. In addition to the adjustability, these LED lights stretch your dollar even further as they have a 60,000-hour lifespan and can be used for 10 years for 8 hours a day. We also appreciate that this fixture provides 3 years of replacements and 30-day returns for free. This option is also a time saver, as it can simply be screwed into an E26/E27 socket like a standard light bulb and it doesn't require any tools. It also features an aluminum alloy housing that is resistant to high temperatures and corrosion. Number 3. Crafter's Mark LED garage lights. A motion detection light is a great option for convenience and energy saving. In particular, the sensitivity and efficiency of Crafter's Mark's LED garage motion activated light make it our pick for the best garage lighting with motion detection. These lights can be adjusted to illuminate in specific directions, and the round design with 6 light panels is designed for up to 360 degrees of illumination. The wireless light is sensitive, can detect movement through a wall, and can be triggered by humans, cars, or animals from up to 10 meters away in all directions. You can also customize the lighting by folding the panels up to 120 degrees for 360 degrees of illumination. It produces up to 18,500 lumens and has a light life of up to 55,000 hours. The longer life is the result of 2,835 LED chips which save more energy than traditional LED bulbs. Number 4. Insignia 4-pack linkable LED shop light. Our pick for the best hanging garage lighting is Insignia's 4-pack linkable LED shop light. The lights can be mounted directly to the ceiling or suspended from the ceiling for optimal lighting coverage. This lighting is also highly efficient, providing 4,400 lumens at only 36 watts. All of the lights can easily be linked together, and the equipment necessary to do so comes with the purchase, which dramatically lowers the time required compared to an option that needs wiring. Other features that make these lights stand out for us include the quality. They are made from polycarbonate, which is particularly strong, and it comes in a thick tube for added durability. Additionally, these lights are specifically designed with heat dissipation in mind, and we appreciate that there is a 5-year warranty for added protection. Keep in mind that these lights only have 4 feet of cords, so you may need an extension cord. Number 5. 2-well motion sensor light. If your garage doesn't have any sort of electrical outfitting, your best bet is to purchase a battery-operated garage light. At only 7.5 inches wide, the 2-well motion sensor light comes with mounting hardware that enables you to put it anywhere in your garage. This option also features a motion sensor that turns on when it senses movement up to 22 feet away, and it will automatically turn off when it doesn't sense movement for 20 seconds. It operates using 4 D-cell batteries, which provide 6 months of lighting, and it can also use rechargeable D-cell batteries. Despite its small size, it covers up to 300 square feet with light. With this option, it only provides 400 lumens and it is a soft white color. As a result, it won't provide as much lighting. Product details: watts, 3 watts, brightness, 400 lumens, color temperature, 3000 Kelvin. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.